So as per now, you guys must have seen so many of these viral Fruit Love Island videos all over the TikTok, right? And these videos get crazy viral. Like, take a look at this TikTok account for an example. This account has only uploaded like, 10, 12 videos, and it has already gained like over 2.7 million followers with 29 million likes. Like, that numbers are literally insane. So in today's video, we're gonna see how you can create these kind of videos for absolutely free without spending a single dollar. So without further ado, you guys, let's just go ahead and jump right into it. Alright, so for creating these kind of videos, the first and most important step is creating prompts. And most of you guys find it really difficult to structure prompts, create stories and everything. So for that, I have basically readied a prompt for you guys, which you can go ahead and simply copy paste that, and it will contain everything. Like, it's going to provide you the story ideas. So now you don't have to search for stories here and there. You're going to have your own stories this time, and you have so many variations inside of that. Then it's going to also provide you with the image prompts, the video prompt, the dialogues and everything. So yeah, this is basically an all-in-one master prompt for you guys, right? You simply need to go ahead and copy paste that. So that's exactly I'm going to do. I'm going to simply copy this whole thing, control A, control C, and this prompt, don't worry you guys, I'm going to provide you down in the description so that you can create your own Fruit Island AI videos very, very easily. And then you're going to come into Google Gemini, simply paste your whole prompt right over here, click on submit. And then it's going to give you, all the spicy Fruit Island episode ideas that you can easily go ahead and choose whatever you find the best one. So let's just say from here, I really like the first one. So I'm going to simply copy the first one from here, simply put it in Gemini chat. And then I'm going to say, let's do this idea. Okay. Then click on submit. And after that, it's going to go ahead and start providing me the image prompts for all of the 8 scenes that it has automatically generated. I didn't do a single thing over here. And then it has also provided the animation prompts for that, and then also the voiceover script for that as well. So yeah, that is really, really amazing, you guys. Okay. And then first of all, once all of our image prompts and everything is ready, we can now start creating the image, right? So for the images, I'm gonna go ahead and open the another chat of Google Gemini, and I'll be creating images inside of Gemini for absolutely free. As you guys can see, I am using the free account right now. I'm not using any subscription account. So first of all, I'm gonna start by creating my first image. Let's just copy the first prompt from here, come into Gemini, paste it right over here. Make sure you select the create image option because you're creating images right now. Simply click on submit. Okay, and then we're gonna copy our second prompt, paste it in Gemini, click on submit. Okay, and just like that, I'm gonna simply copy paste all of my prompts inside of Gemini, the image prompts right now. And this is how I generated all the images inside of Gemini by using the free account. And once all of your images are ready, you need to go ahead and simply download all the images one by one into your PC, you guys. Okay. Okay, so once all of your images are downloaded with you, so the next step is we need to go ahead and basically animate all of these images into videos. So for that, we're going to be using Google VEO3 inside of Flow, and I'll be using the free version of Google VEO3 inside of Flow, which basically gives you 150 credits, which will be quite enough to create this entire video. And if you want to know how you can get extra free credit inside of Google Flow, so I have already uploaded a video on that. I'm gonna drop that video down in the description so that you can check that out as well. Okay, so first of all, inside of Google VEO3, I'm gonna go ahead and start by uploading all of my images right inside of Google VEO3. Okay, so meanwhile it's uploading, make sure you tweak some settings. Click over here, click on the video section, click on the frames one, 9:16 x1, and make sure your model is VO 3.1 fast use. Okay, so once all of your videos are uploaded inside of VEO3, you're gonna start by animating every single image one by one. So this was our first image. I'm gonna simply drag it inside of add start frame right over here, and then we have to input prompts. So for the prompt, we already got the prompt inside of Google Gemini. I'm gonna simply go over here, and these are our animation prompts. I'm gonna simply start by copying this one, pasting it in Google VEO3 right over here, and make sure you also input, the voiceover, the audio as well, that Google Gemini also created that for us. Okay, so the scene one didn't have any audio, so we're gonna go ahead and simply submit it just like that. So then we're gonna start with our scene 2, which was this one. I'm gonna drag this again to add start frame, and for the prompt we're gonna copy our second prompt, paste it right over here, and for this we do have a dialogue, which is this one of Apollina. I'm gonna simply just copy paste this one as well, click on submit, and then we're gonna upload our third one, which was this, and the third prompt was of bananas, this one. Copy this, paste it right over here, and also the prompt, which was this one. Click on submit, and then we're gonna start with our fourth one, which was this. Simply drag it to add start frame, and then we're gonna copy our fourth prompt, which was this, and we're gonna also copy the dialogue of Strawberryta, paste it right over here, click on submit, and then we're gonna start with the fifth one, copy the prompt of fifth from Gemini just like that, paste it right over here, click on submit since it didn't have the dialogue, and then we're gonna do the sixth one, which was this one of eggplant. I'm gonna copy the video prompt of eggplant, and also it also had a dialogue, which is this. Copy the whole thing, paste it right over here, click on submit, and then let's do the seventh one. Copy the prompt of the seventh just like that, paste it, and also let's just check if this one had a dialogue. Okay, yeah, this does have a dialogue. I'm gonna copy paste that as well, click on submit, and then we have our last shot just like that, and copy the last prompt over here, paste it, click on submit, and just like that, it's gonna take around a minute or so to basically create all the videos for us. And once it's done, then I'm gonna show it to you guys. Okay, all right, so just like that, all of your videos are created. Let me just go ahead and show some of the videos for your reference. So let's just play this one.
Ugh, she's so polished. It's definitely wax. I'm the only organic queen in this villa.
Okay, that looked good. Let's just go ahead and take a look at this one.
Hope you're hungry, boys. This apple doesn't fall far from the drama.
All right, so yeah, that turned out really good as well. So from here, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna simply download all of my clips just like that from this download button, 720p. All right, and just like that, once we download all of the videos, now the next step is we need to combine all of these videos together. So for that, you can use, any video editor. You can use CapCut or Adobe Premiere Pro, but I'll be using Filmora because that's the most convenient for me. I'm gonna click on new project. Start by uploading all of your video files that you just downloaded from Google VEO3 inside of Filmora. And you're gonna start by dragging all of your clips to the timeline one by one in order. That's the first one, then we had our second one, then the third one, then we have the fourth one, fifth, then the sixth, then the seventh, and then the eighth. And then you have to simply do a little bit of editing, just crop out the extra clips that you don't want to use, and basically refine your clips the way you like. Okay. All right, so once your editing is done, just crop out the extra clips that you don't want, and then I'm gonna go ahead and export this file, and once it's done, let me show you the final output. Okay.
Did someone order a little temptation? Because I'm here.
Is it just me, or did the villa just get a lot?
Ugh, she's so polished. It's definitely wax. I'm the only organic queen in this villa. Hope you're hungry, boys. This apple doesn't fall far from the drama.
Pack your bags, boys. The game just changed.
Okay, and there was another video that I created with the same method. So let me just go ahead and quickly show that to you as well.
We thought this couple was ripe for the final. But one fruit's head is clearly turning.
I'm not gonna lie, Manjita. The vibe with you is just
Sweet. Like, properly sweet.
Too bad someone is about to get squeezed.
Are you joking me, Banano? I am giving you 100% and you are over here cracking on with the Mangita. It's a liberty. A total liberty.
Alright, so that's it for today's video, you guys. I hope you enjoyed it. So that was the easiest method you can create, these kind of AI fruit Love Island videos very easily. So yeah, make sure you check out the master prompt that I provided you down in the description. And if you have any questions or any queries, you can comment or you can directly message or DM me on Instagram at aizenstudios.yt, and I'll make sure to answer every one of you. So yeah, that's it for today's video, you guys. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.